The last comment about robustness, I think, is really awesome, and I've got a really quick story about that. Working with grocery store delivery, they have a quick practice of, if you try to order a jar of peanut butter and they happen to be out of it, they'll make their best guess of a replacement product for you. And last week we got a tub of yogurt in replacement. I don't like spreading yogurt on my peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. My kids definitely weren't excited about it. So, we're seeing that in our industry too. Somebody's out of what seems to be a very common product. You need to have some label specialists in your department that understand the adhesives and the face stocks and the application environment to make an appropriate recommendation. And so we're seeing ourselves doing a lot of substituting materials and products.